Okay. So we made this. I made these cables, and I got this inverter hooked up, okay? So this is 12 volts, obviously, okay? And I'm gonna put a second one of these and keep it 12 volts, okay? And come into this, and then this is gonna have a solar panel, then a solar charge controller, and then this is gonna power these grow lights for the indoor farm we're building to survive the apocalypse, okay? However, this is one of many redundant power systems I'm working on building. Okay, so this is a small 12 volt system for small usage for the lighting for the indoor garden. Okay, but over here we have the next project, which is going to be the main start of the main backup power, I guess. I have these two 24 volt marine RV deep cycle batteries. These are great. Okay, so two of these. Okay. Fortunately, this 4,000 watt inverter I have is 12 volts. So I'll need 12 volt batteries, or somehow convert that to 12 volt to go into this, or get some kind of 24 volt power inverter of the proper size to make this work. But then I can charge these off of solar, okay, or wind. I have wind, or stocked up on a few of these. These are basically mechanical generators. They say motor, okay, but they were marketed and purchased as wind turbine mechanical generators. So I can make some wind turbine blades, and we're kind of gonna work on making some of those on, during our lives here in the workshop and stuff. But so this is really just a welding test that we did, and it might not be involved in the finished product at all, but something like this, and then flattened out and shaped into proper turbine blades to do something like that. But you can also run power through it as a motor, and then if you just flip the polarity flip the wires, it'll go the other way. So really, a dimmer switch, a DeWalt battery, okay, one of these, some kind of switch to flip the polarity so you can reverse, and then a belt driven something even similar to that, smaller, and you got a boat if you wanted one, or any number of things. So in addition to being additional power generation, these motors are really handy, and I want to get more motors as I can come across them for cheap or free, and have a stock of these. So we're gonna figure that out, okay? And I'm also curious, and I'm learning, I got a book there, but if these two alone, okay, are enough, and I don't know the specs exactly, but enough to power my well pump for a few hours, okay? That's all I need. I just need to fill some containers. I need to fill some containers every few months for a few hours off the well pump, in a grid down situation. And I think even 100 watt panel could slowly charge that over a period of a month or two even,